Don't know what day it is. Last 2 weeks tomorrow. First 2 weeks tomorrow. Laura is making a sign for the end of the driveway for Jen and Andrew, because we're not going to pick them up. Scott is trying to talk Kelly into going snorkeling over in the thing there. This is our homemade weather station. Straight wall cylinder, Alex, with, I don't know, what is that, 10 inches? So, it's a lot of water.
Yeah, that's a lot of water.
So that was like 24 hours, maybe 30 hours of rain. Scott, Kelly, just smiling. Fuck, look at yourself. Look at, see? You going snorkeling?
No.
Oh.
There's a dive boat.
Just a dive? Oh.
Right there, just one around going by here.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's going back to
Amber or
Barefoot.
Day.
Yep.
Just drop them off.
Yeah. Anyway, dinner tonight at Romeo's. Romeo's. I think it's, I don't know. Yesterday was Sundowners. Long night. Anyway, ciao.